tomatoes and pepper, onions, a big sized one, locust beans, then our crayfish, either the big or the small one, anyone is preferable. Our fish, the meat, yeah, and also the vegetable itself. Cut your vegetables into slices and then blend your pepper roughly. Debone your fish and clean your crayfish. So at this point, wash your vegetable. Wash thoroughly at least 2 to 3 times to avoid sand. Avoid cooking your soup with sand. Wash. Don't be pot. Add small salt. Small salt and cover up. This will help to kill any insects or bacteria in the vegetable. At this point, pour oil into a pot. Allow to fry for some seconds, then add your pepper, stir very well, add your locust beans. Oh well, lest I forget, make sure the pepper is roughly blended. Don't overgrind your pepper. This takes some kind of taste to the stew. So add your locust beans. Add your locust beans to the soup. Locust beans is very good. It helps to improve the aroma and the taste of the vegetable soup. Add your meat or any protein of your choice. Remember, we are cooking within a budget of 3k. So at this point, I'm adding my crayfish, my fish. Also reduce the fire to avoid getting your soup burnt before the time. Stir gently, stir very gently, then add your fish. Add any protein. You can add your pomo, you can add stockfish, you can add your chicken, anything. Just add at this point and stir very well. Stir. Add your seasoning cube. Okay, cover up first, then add your seasoning cube. At this point, I'm using 2 seasoning cube. You can add any one depending on your choice. Add as much as 3, 4, 5, then stir and stir again so that everything will marinate together. This soup is very rich. It contains all for healthy living. Then add your vegetable. Remember, the vegetable has been pre-cooked, so when you add the vegetable, don't cook for more than 2 minutes to retain the texture, the nutrients, and everything. So just cook for 2 minutes under low heat. Stir very well. This soup can be paired with anything. It goes well with rice, it goes well with amala, pounded yam, fufu. You just have to try it. This is as good as the look of the soup. So sweet. So for me, I paired mine with ekoelewe. So I hope you enjoy the video. Kindly stay glued to my channel so you can get to see more videos on this. I'll be sharing health tips, so many health issues, and so much more. Kindly like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so you don't get to miss any video, as I'll be releasing new videos every week. Thank you, and see you on the next. Bye.